Hey guys, today I'm going to walk you through the Saarthi interface. Right here, you've got Select Mode for Interaction button. Choose your mode and type your request. This is the input field where you type what you want Saarthi to do. When you're ready, hit Send Message to get results instantly. This Enhance Prompt button helps make your request better by adding context, clarification, or rephrasing. Just type your prompt, click Enhance, and see the magic. From this button, you can add images to your messages if visuals help explain your idea. Need a clean slate? Click New Task. Now you can start your new project. This MCP Servers option lets Saarthi connect with external tools and services. Your History tab keeps track of everything you've done so far. If you want to work on your code directly, there's Open an Editor for Saarthi. And if you're ever stuck, the Help option is right here to guide you. That's your quick tour of Saarthi. Now you know exactly where everything is. If you'd like a deeper dive into any specific Saarthi's tool or workflow, let us know and we'll take care of it. Thank you.